Good day everyone. Today we will tackle about the topic 3 which is explain the sample trainees profiling sheet. But before we start our discussion for today, the sample trainees profiling sheet are form used to collect information about a trainee. This sheet usually include personal details, educational background, skill, interest, strengths, and weaknesses, and training needs. So they help teacher or trainers understand the trainee better. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to first identify the concept components of trainees profiling sheet. Analyze learning information from trainees profiling sheet include personal information, educational, and work-related details. And last, explain the importance and purpose of profiling sheet. Now, let's proceed to our introduction. Sample trainee profiling sheet are forms used to collect comprehensive information about individuals entering training programs covering a personal details, educational background, work experience, learning style, and specific needs to help trainers customize instruction and assess suitability from the program. So this sheet gather demographic like name, age, location, educational, skill, motivation, and also the cultural background and potential barriers, serving as a baseline for effective program design and support. So sample training profiling sheet are document used to gather important information about the trainees po. So, napaka-importante nitong profiling sheet upang mag-gather natin yung mga information ng ating trainees before they start a training program. So, this sheet include a personal information, educational background, dapat tapos sila sa high school or senior high school. Work experience, kung mayroon ba siyang experience before na work para madali na lang sa kanya, and also yung learning style and specific needs of the trainees. Sample trainees profiling sheet. Sample trainees profiling sheet are structured form used to systematically collect learner information. They typically include section 4. First is personal details. So personal details, this include the basic information about the trainee such as name, age, address, and contact details. It helps identify the trainees po. So, before we entering our trainees, dapat alam natin yung niya and yung age and kung saan ba siya nakatira. Next is the educational background. This show is the highest level of education complete and the school attended po. So it helped trainees understand the trainees' academic foundation. Next is the prior knowledge and skill. So this part lists the skill and knowledge the trainee already has. So nakakatulong ito to avoid repeating lesson and focuses on improvement. The fourth one is learning style and references. This is explain how the training learn best, such as through visual, hands-on, or group activities po. So nakakatulong ito sa ating trainees to choose effective teaching methods. And lastly is the training needs and expectation. This show what trainings want to learn or kung ano ba yung gusto niyang matutunan or yung expectation about dito sa qualification na to. And it helps align the trainings with the training goals. So this is the sample of trainers profile. We have a name and name of school or training institution, address, and contact number of our trainees. So class, What is important? So trainees profiling sheet are important because they help trainees design appropriate learning activities, adjust teaching strategies, and provide suitable assessment based on learners' need and abilities. So they also ensure fair grouping, effective training delivery, and improve learning outcomes po. So as a student, I think this sheet make it easier from trainees to plan the learning activities that match our level and the way of learning po. So they also help in choosing the right teaching strategies and the assessment to everyone can learn fairly because of providing sheet, training become more organized, effective, and helpful for better learning outcomes. So now this is the key information collected. So first is we have a demographics. This include basic personal information such as name of our trainee, address, contact details, age, gender, and family background. So it helps identify the trainee and understand their background. And also we have a educational background. This show the school attended, degree earned, and highest level of education complete. So it helps trainees know the trainees academic preparation. And lastly is we have a work experience. They include previous job, skill, gain, and license held, and also current employment status. So it helps trainees understand the trainees' practical experience in the work related skills. So let's proceed to the next one, motivation and expectation. So this explain why the trainee joined the program. Their goals such as getting a better job or learning new skill and benefits they expect. So it's also include possible changes like financial problem and distance. Next is the learning style. So the learning style show how the trainee preferred to learn, make decision, and communicate. And it helps determine if the trainee is ready and willing to learn. So kaya nga pumasok sila sa ating qualification is gusto nilang madagdagan pa yung natutunan nila. And next is the program details. So the program details includes information about the course title, yung qualification natin, and also yung duration, and yung schedule. So, yung schedule and duration is napaka-importante sa ating trainee para malaman nila kung saan sila papasok, kung anong oras or kung anong date sila papasok. And it helps trainees clearly understand the training they are enrolled in. Purpose of trainees profiling sheet. The purpose of trainees profiling sheet is to collect information about learners to help trainers understand their background, skill, learning references, and training needs. This information po allows trainers to plan effective lesson, design appropriate learners activities, provide relevant assessment, and ensure that training is learning-centered, organized, and also the successful. So, yung the purpose of trainees profiling sheet is to gather information about the learners. Because, for example, meron tayong trainer na may kapansanan. So, syempre, iba yung gagawin niya sa lahat. Magpo-focus tayo sa kanya because mayroon siyang kapansanan. Magbibigay tayo ng ibang gagawin niya aside from that. Because, kaya nga, hindi lahat ng pumapasok sa atin is walang kapansanan. May ma-encounter tayo na may kapansanan. So, yun nga, dapat dapat with this information, trainers can plan better lesson, choose suitable activities, and give fair assessment po. So yun nga yung profiling sheet help make the training more organized, learning centered, and successful for everyone. So how trainees profiling sheet help trainees? First is better understanding of each learner. So, dito papasok yung know the skill, interest, and needs for every time or every needs of every trainee. So, next is the personalized learning. So, can adjust lesson, activities, and teaching methods based on each trainee's profile. Because I have said earlier, may encountered tayo na mga may kapansanan. Next is the more effective training po. So learning gaps are identified early. So the training becomes more focused and relevant. Next is the improved assessment. Trainers can give assessment that match the trainee's abilities and learning level. And the next one is the higher engagement. So trainees become more motivated and active because the trainee fit their needs and interest. Trainees profiling sheet are essential tools that help trainers understand learning, background skill, and needs. By systematically collecting accurate information, trainers can plan effective lesson, design appropriate activities, and provide fair assessment. Proper use of profiling sheet ensures a training centered, organized, and successful training benefiting both and the learners and the training program. So, training profiling sheet are important tools that help trainers understand the background skill and needs of trainers. So, as a student, I believe that the collecting correct information, trainers can help better lesson, create suitable activities, and give fair assessment po. So, this profiling sheet helps make the trainers learner-centered, well-organized, and successful for both the trainers and the training program. That's all for today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something about our discussion for today.